Windows play a crucial role in your Little Rock home's comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. However, to keep them functioning at their best and looking great, regular maintenance is essential. Little Rock's weather, which ranges from hot summers to occasional storms, can take a toll on your windows over time. By following a few simple maintenance tips, you can extend the lifespan of your windows and ensure they remain a valuable feature of your home. Here's how to keep your Little Rock windows in top shape. Clean windows regularly. Regular cleaning not only keeps your windows looking their best but also helps identify any issues early, such as cracks, dirt buildup, or damage. How to clean properly. Use a mild detergent mixed with water to clean the glass and frames. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage the material. For streak-free glass, finish with a microfiber cloth or squeegee. Pay attention to the tracks and hinges, removing debris that can affect window operation. Tip: clean your windows every 3 to 6 months or more often if your home is near busy streets or exposed to heavy pollen. Inspect seals and weather stripping. In Little Rock's humid climate, seals and weather stripping can deteriorate over time, leading to air leaks and reduced energy efficiency. What to look for. Check for cracks, gaps, or peeling in the weather stripping. Inspect the caulking around the edges of the window frames for signs of wear. Maintenance steps. Replace worn-out weather stripping to prevent drafts and moisture infiltration. Reapply caulk where needed to maintain an airtight seal. Keeping your seals intact ensures better energy efficiency and protection against the elements. Lubricate moving parts. Windows with moving components, such as double-hung or casement styles, require regular lubrication to function smoothly. How to lubricate. Clean the tracks, hinges, and locks to remove dust and debris. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to moving parts for smooth operation. Avoid oil-based lubricants, which can attract dirt and grime. Regular lubrication reduces wear and tear on components and prevents sticking or jamming. Check for damage after storms. Little Rock experiences occasional severe weather, including heavy rain and strong winds, which can impact your windows. Post-storm inspection tips. Look for cracks, chips, or scratches in the glass. Check for damage to the frame, including warping or denting. Inspect the seals and weather stripping for signs of water infiltration. Action steps. Address minor damage promptly to prevent further issues. Replace broken or damaged components to maintain window integrity and performance. Quick action after storms helps keep your windows functional and your home secure. Prevent condensation issues. Condensation can occur in Little Rock's humid climate, leading to moisture buildup and potential mold growth. How to minimize condensation. Use a dehumidifier or run your air conditioning to reduce indoor humidity. Ensure proper ventilation in high moisture areas, such as bathrooms and kitchens. Check that your windows are properly sealed to prevent cold air from meeting warm, humid air. Keeping your home's humidity levels in check helps protect your windows and improve indoor air quality. Protect against UV damage. Little Rock's sunny climate can cause UV rays to fade window frames and interior furnishings over time. Protective measures. Use window treatments, such as curtains or blinds, to shield your windows from direct sunlight. Consider applying a UV blocking film to the glass for added protection. These steps not only preserve your windows but also protect your home's interior from sun damage. Schedule professional inspection. While regular DIY maintenance is essential, professional inspections can help identify issues that might go unnoticed. Why it matters. Experts can check for structural problems, energy efficiency issues, and hidden damage. Professional cleaning services can reach high or hard-to-access windows safely. Scheduling an annual inspection ensures your windows remain in optimal condition and extend their lifespan. Maintain energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows are designed to save money and keep your home comfortable, but their performance can decline without proper care. Efficiency tips. Clean glass and frames regularly to allow natural light and heat regulation. Check for air leaks and repair damaged seals promptly. Upgrade to energy-efficient options like double glazing or low-E coatings if your windows are outdated. By maintaining your windows' energy-saving features, you'll enjoy lower utility bills and a more sustainable home. Final thought. Proper window maintenance is essential for protecting your investment, enhancing your home's energy efficiency, and maintaining its curb appeal. By cleaning regularly, inspecting for damage, and addressing issues promptly, you can ensure your Little Rock windows remain in top shape for years to come. Partnering with a trusted window professional for repairs, upgrades, and inspections can make all the difference. Whether you're preserving existing windows or planning a replacement, these maintenance tips will help you keep your Little Rock home beautiful, comfortable, and efficient.